In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an audit report in Adobe Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download a formal audit report as a PDF and how to quickly view the same information right inside Adobe Acrobat Sign. First, let's quickly clarify what an audit report is and why it matters. Also known as an audit trail, this report records who signed a document, when it was sent, viewed, and signed, along with IP addresses, exact timestamps, and a complete activity history. Think of it as the document's black box. Because it captures verified events and identities, it's commonly used as legal proof and for compliance tracking. Let's start with the most common method, downloading the audit report. Sign into Adobe Acrobat Sign and head to the Manage tab. This is your hub for all agreements. Find the specific agreement you're interested in and click it to open its details. On the right side panel, select Download PDF. Here, choose Audit Report, or the option labeled Include Audit Trail, depending on what you see in your account. Adobe Sign will generate the audit report as a PDF and download it to your device. It's a good idea to save it with a clear file name and store it with the corresponding agreement so everything stays organized and easy to find later. If you're working in a team, confirm you have permission to access that agreement's details to ensure the option appears. Now, if you just want to review the information without downloading anything, you can view it directly inside Adobe Sign. Go to the Manage tab, click your agreement, and scroll down to the Activity section. Here, you'll see a timeline of events, the latest status updates, and a complete signing history. This view is perfect for a quick check on who has acted on the document and when, without leaving the browser or creating additional files. So what exactly will you find inside the audit report? You'll typically see sender information, recipient email addresses, the signing order if one was defined, date and timestamps for each action, IP addresses associated with those actions, and any authentication methods that were used to verify identities. This level of detail is what makes the audit report a reliable, legally valid record of the agreement's life cycle. That's all there is to it. Use the download method when you need a portable, shareable record, and the in-app activity view when you need a fast status check. Keep your reports stored securely, and you'll always have the verified history you need at your fingertips.